Hi guys, my name's Liam. I don't know where my wife Georgia is, but we are packing for places. What's happening, people, and welcome to the channel. Now in this video we're going to be taking you around Padang Bai and showing you Sidemen and the silver ring making. Now I keep saying Sidemen and it was wrong. It was only once I shot the whole vlog that someone told me it was actually Sidemen. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go and follow us on Instagram at Packing for Places. Hope you enjoy the vlog. And we have arrived. Good couple of hour journey, nice and steady by the driver. What's your name?
Wayan, Rasti.
Wayan?
Rasti.
Really good driver.
Thank
really
you
good
very
driver. So.
Come to Bali, Wayan.
I don't know where we go.
I reckon up here.
Nice. Oh, what's your first impressions?
Yeah, it's okay. It's nice. We've got a pool, we're high up, we're down a quiet lane. It's got aircon, TV and a pool, so.
Oh, we got drinking water. And we've got a poolside view. Yeah, the bathroom's pretty big, isn't it?
So weird that they just have a toilet.
It's good enough. As I say, it was, I think we're paying £17 a night, so.
It's a really quick stopover.
Just a little stopover near the port before we go to the Gili Islands for Christmas. Gonna have a little swim, little chill out and suss out where we're gonna go and eat tonight. Hopefully there's someone here to get us some food. So we found this place. What's it called?
Helix.
Helix. Wow, for the view. Like absolutely wow. Look, we are just sitting here, and if I turn the camera around, that is the view. Absolutely stunning. Morning guys. So woke up not too early this morning, had a bit of a lie in, had a little swim in the pool. Now we're just going to go on a little exploring. Found like a hidden beach that we're going to go and see. Oh, I got my bike yesterday as well. Oh, look at this beast. Finally got an N-Max. They're just a lot bigger and a lot more comfortable. They're glad I got one of them, especially with Georgia on the back. It just makes it so much easier when you've got a bigger bike, just so much more comfortable. Looking forward to a bit of exploring.
Yeah, the beach looks nice.
Let's go and have a little look. This is meant to be quite a nice beach. What's it called, do you know?
Secret beach.
That's called Secret Beach.
No, I don't actually know.
Oh my god.
No, I think they like call it the secret beach.
Oh, right.
But it has got a name.
Why are there so many nice bikes here? Look at these Harley Davidsons. Look at them. Whoa. That looks pretty nice. Gonna go down here for a few hours.
Might have to sit on the rock.
Obviously there's no handrails. Just have a walk around here and see. So we found out we was going the wrong way. But no, this looks a bit better, babe. So they do some food and that down here, which is pretty good. Looks nice. And don't look a bad beach. Got ourselves some sun loungers. That'll do us. Bit of a trek down here, but worth it. It's beautiful. The waves, though, we did read a review where someone actually died down here because they got pushed into the rocks. The waves are pretty extreme. So yeah, just tried getting in the sea, and it is so powerful. Like we're in this little cove, and it's too powerful to get in. You literally just get sucked out. There's a little corner right by the rocks that I managed to just get my head under, but no, I don't think it's a swimming beach, but it's a nice beach. Morning guys. Just woke up, had a pretty good sleep. Get quite a good breakfast here. Really nice coffee, a fruit. Just had a swim. So today we are off to Sidemen, which is about a 45-minute bike ride. We've actually booked another night somewhere else over the rice terraces, so it should be a really nice place. And then tomorrow we'll be making some new wedding rings at this silver making place. So really looking forward to it. So we're ready to rock. Managed to attach the GoPro, so hopefully we'll get some good footage. On our way, 45-minute drive. Let's go. Look at this rain. Wow. When it rains here. But we're here and it looks a really nice place, so fingers crossed. Just going to go and check our room, see if it's ready. I was going to go to a waterfall, but we thought we'd come here first. We might go to a waterfall later, but we'll just have to see. Look at this. Oh my God. How nice. Look at the bed. Look at the view from the bath. We literally picked a bargain up here. £33. From Airbnb. Obviously there's just no tourists around at the minute, so you get some stuff really cheap. I'm glad that it's rained because that means that it's going to break and we'll get some good sunshine. So I'm happy it's rained now rather than it be alright now and then it'll rain later. So we've actually managed to get out. The rain has stopped. Georgia has found a nice little restaurant. So we're going to get on the bike and we're going to go and have a look. So this is the place. To be honest, if there's a nice spa or a nice restaurant or somewhere to spend some money, Georgia will find it. Oh, Georgia's just pointed out it is the first Christmas decoration we have seen that is actually Christmas Day in 4 or 5 days.
Yeah, soon, isn't it?
Yeah.
They just don't celebrate it.
Oh, no, don't be sorry. Look at this. Fish tacos. Look at that. Thank you very much. Oh, look at this place though. It's very bougie, as Georgia would say.
Very bougie.
Just demolish them starters. They're like halloumi sliders, fish tacos. We're in the middle of a jungle in Southeast Asia and it is 5-star, wasn't it? It was what you'd get in a 5-star restaurant in England, honestly. It was so good. Gonna have another cocktail and then we're gonna see if we can have a main. For this one I just got a dragon fruit daiquiri. Mushroom gnocchi, couldn't think of nothing worse. And I've got a blue cheese, salami and walnut pizza with a little side of honey. We went for the salted caramel tart. Look at this. Wow. This is so good. Look at that in there. Between this and this dragon fruit daiquiri is everything. Morning guys. Slept like an absolute dream last night. Had a few cocktails at that nice place we found just down the road. So we just had breakfast arrived. Actually looks pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with that. That looks pretty decent. Bed was so comfortable, honestly. This bed was top class. Best bed I've slept in since I've been in Bali. Waking up to these views this morning, absolutely stunning. I sat there and done some work on the laptop, done some editing. Oh yeah, so today we are going to a silversmith's. So we've been looking at this for ages, literally 5 minutes up the road, and we're going to be making our new wedding rings. A 3-hour course, and you get to design it, you make it, you engrave it, you literally do it all yourself. You burn the silver, so absolutely buzzing for this. We've literally been looking forward to this for so long. So I just arrived at his shop, the silversmiths, and Apparently he's moved. Well, since COVID, he's gone to his house rather than his shop because obviously they're not as busy. So we just got the guy's address. So it's about a 10-minute journey and we'll be there. So we're on our way. And we've made it out of some hairy roads. Went across that bridge. I thought it was going to collapse. So yeah, have a little look. Hi, my name's Liam.
Yeah, my name Agung.
Agung, nice to meet you.
I'm Georgia.
And this is Georgia. So this is all the options of what we can make.
I like that one.
Yeah.
Okay. I think you should do that.
So we've just discussed what style we like, and he's just sized it up. And now Georgia's going through what stone she wants on hers. So there's loads of different options.
Be fun.
So this is the silver. As he's just saying, it's 100% silver, and then when it's melted it goes to 99%?
Yes, because I use for the solder.
Okay.
Put a little bit of solder in it.
Okay.
Now start working.
Nice. This is what we'll be burning the silver in to melt it. It's about 10 minutes that she has to pump on this. She has to pump on that, and then it burns it there. So you've got to do it for 10 minutes. I don't think she's going to last, to be honest. That was hard work. I am so hot. I'm literally
15 minutes, yeah?
sweating.
And the pure silver, and you melting, the color doesn't changing.
Oh, okay.
Always still white.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Cool, heavy.
Yeah, this is 35 gram.
35 grams of real silver.
Oh, okay.
These are going to be our new wedding rings.
So you actually have to burn it, roll it, burn it, roll it. It's the process you have to keep repeating probably 4 or 5 times. So it is hard work to do it, it's not easy. Yeah, so all the silver that's used here comes from Borneo, which is a place in Malaysia, and he just imports it all, and that's what he uses to make all his rings and jewellery.
So I really want like a rustic Indian pattern on mine, so I'm just having a little practice to see if I can get the pattern that I want.
That was hard work. Having to punch the indents into the ring to make the shape. This ring is looking very nice. About halfway through. It's just so humid up here. Like we're literally like up in the mountains. It's just so hot. He's now just doing the engraved, so we're both having it engraved in the middle. Obviously we don't get to do that because it's very skilled. So now he's burning the vessel to put the stone in to attach it to the ring.
It's just like a little silver cup that the
Stone sits in. So he's now cut out and placed the clasp in there, and now he's gonna solder around it. It's incredible to watch. He's literally so good. So he's been doing it 30 years, did you say?
Yeah.
30 years?
30 years.
30 years. He's been making jewellery for 30 years. I did ask him if his son was going to maybe do it, and he said no, his son just cares about his phone and computers, which is the same all over the world. And this is it. Look at that. Oh, and we're done. Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Honestly, really, really appreciate it. So nice. And we're done. It's been absolutely incredible. We'll leave a link down below how to get hold of this guy. He's absolutely, no doubt about it, the best in Bali. So we'll leave a link down below with his Instagram and everything and how you can get hold of him. If you come to Bali, make sure you come here.